Welcome to the pre-enlistment tutorial. First, click the button at the top right corner to log into your CRS account via UP Mail. Newly admitted students with no existing UP Mail must use the temporary CRS credentials given to you along with your university admission slip. Your username will be your 9-digit student number and a separate temporary password. You can change your password later. Once logged in, you will see your registration status and the enrollment progress bar. Class messages and announcements are directly below. Begin by updating your student profile through the Student Profile module under the Pre-Registration section. Then read the privacy notice. Once done, confirm by checking the box below, then authenticate and proceed. Select your UP Mail account again. You may now update your student profile. Remember to update your profile every semester before enlisting your classes. It will ask for your personal information, contact information, student housing, and parents' information. It will also ask for your employment details, contact person in case of emergency, and insurance beneficiary. Certify the information by checking the box below Student Pledge and click Submit. An error appears if the information is incomplete. Fill out the information, check the box, and submit again. Once successful, proceed to the pre-enlistment module. Read the notice carefully. Then confirm to proceed with enlistment. When a dialog box appears, click OK. You may now begin searching for your classes. Type the course code in the search bar and click Search. Choose your desired course among the list. You will then see the available classes with instructors and their schedules. Take note of their mode of delivery and check for remarks or restrictions. Enlist by clicking Add to My Desired Classes. Plan 201 is now successfully added. Enlist another class by typing the course code in the search bar again. Here are the available classes for Plan 203. Repeat the process by clicking Add to My Desired Classes. Plan 201 and 203 are now added to your schedule. Students who are allowed to take 9 units can enlist another class. Make sure to choose classes that do not have schedule conflicts. You can adjust the ranking in the My Desired Classes section. You can read more about ranking and random assignment in the pre-enlistment mechanics below. Once done, return to the main module and log out, then wait for the batch run results.